Hello, Brook Hill family. It is Miss Mize again, and I've got Coach Ryle with me again. He's not going to give you a face shot this time, but we are here to talk to you guys today about part 2 in our video series, preparing you guys for the semester exam. So today we are going to talk about different memory techniques that you can use while you prepare or while you are studying for your semester exams. So one of interesting bit of research shows that if you do something specific while you're studying, for example, you suck on a certain flavor of mint, your brain will associate those senses with what you're studying. And if you can replicate that during the exam, for example, take that same flavor of mint and ask your teacher if you can suck on that during the exam, it will help your brain associate with what you studied to what the content that's on the exam. But be sure to ask your teachers ahead of time for that. Also, study with a friend. Research also shows that when you speak and listen and engage in conversations about the material that you're studying, you can talk through it and understand it and remember it a lot better. But make sure that you choose a friend that is extremely responsible so that you guys don't get sidetracked. And then the next bit of information for study tips is use mnemonic devices. There's several different of these, and depending on what it is you're trying to memorize, you could choose what best fits that. So a memory trick such as an acronym. So some of you may have heard of an acronym such as please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That is a way to remember the order of operations. P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for Sally. So there's a lot of different mnemonic devices out there that can help you remember certain concepts or ideas. Also, chaining. This is where you create a story where one idea leads to the next. So if you're trying to think of something for an essay, you may want to create your own story where one idea reminds you of the next one, so on and so forth. Also, keywords. This is great for vocabulary. So the Spanish word cabina means phone booth. So you could picture a cab, for cabina, a cab trying to fit in a phone booth, and that could maybe help you remember. So again, there's lots of other different fun memory tricks that you can use to help remember the information. Again, talk with a friend through the material. Come visit us in ACE and we can give you some more tips. Stay tuned for part 3, what to do during the test.